What's up, guys? Welcome back. As you can tell, it is entirely too cold in my garage to be doing fiberglass again. But if I don't do it, it's going to throw off my videos and it just will be stupid. So I'm going to do it anyway, but I'm only going to do about half of the bumper, maybe like 2 or 3 cracks, just to see if it'll even set up being this cold, because it really should be like, ideally, I think it's around like 70 degrees and up. It's like 40 degrees in the garage. So I don't know, but we'll try it out. We'll see what happens. And if it works, it works. If not, it's only half the bumper and I shouldn't have to really worry about it. In the last video, I said that I didn't have a kit for doing this. Turns out I did. I just need to look a little harder next time. Anyways, so you can see I kind of roughed up the edges here or around the cracks just on this side. Not so much on this side yet because this is the side that I'm going to try messing with first. But you should really like sand this down to actual bare fiberglass or pretty close to it and clean it up really, really good. But if you know me at all, I'm not going to do that. I did rough up the edges like I said, but I'm not going to go all out and try to get it like picture perfect showroom quality because it's a drift car. Most likely, this bumper is only going to make it maybe like 2 events before somebody hits me, before I hit something, or something happens to it. It's just going to happen. It's drifting. We don't keep them nice and show quality forever unless you're not, going very hard, or unless you got a lot of money and you can actually afford to buy stuff like this, or sponsorships. I guess sponsorships would work too. First thing first, you take 1 ounce of this to 14 drops of this, which is the hardener and the resin, and preferably you already have your pieces cut out, which I'll do in just a second. But one thing I really didn't like about this kit was reading the instruction. It says, yeah, pour out 1 ounce of this to the 14 drops. Well, I have nothing to measure an ounce, and unlike a lot of my other friends who could probably tell you what an ounce feels like very easily, I can't for many different reasons. But anyways, so what I had to do was go find a measuring cup, which luckily my roommate cooks a lot. She had a 1/4 ounce measuring cup. So I did 4 quarters of water into this cup, little Dixie cup, and then marked the line. So yeah, why couldn't they have just given me a cup like this and, been ready to go? It's not a big deal, but it is just kind of one of those, how would I know to do this unless I've done it before things? So I guess if you're doing it, Dixie cup. Okay, so not as bad as I thought. It went really easy, which kind of makes me think I might have done it wrong, but I don't know. You guys be the judge if you know what you're talking about. Focus. There we go. So I just laid the 3 down to do as kind of the test, and I don't know, it looks pretty good to me. Definitely we'll probably go back in maybe tomorrow or Tuesday and spread some more glass there just to make it a little bit thicker, because I know one's not going to do it. I went ahead and did two different passes on these down here because they're definitely going to be taking a beating, a lot more than this little edge here. But yeah, like I said, not too bad. Pretty simple. Makes me think I'm doing it wrong, but we'll find out. Anyways, I'm going to call that good on this video because it is freezing cold out here and this stuff is not like drying at all. It's been about 20 minutes, 30 minutes since I actually laid it down, and it's still like super soft and moving around. So it's definitely going to need to go overnight. One of the things I didn't cover though was I got these little sponge paintbrushes from the Dollar Tree for $1 for like 2 bags of them, with a bunch of other paint stuff. Definitely this was awesome because you could fill up the sponge and just kind of push it in, and it hurt the sponge, but it worked. And I mean, $1, I'm not really going to whine and cry about that. So anyways, let me know what you guys thought about this video. This isn't really what I do, but apparently anybody can do it because I just did. So you guys should try it too. There's a lot of busted body kits out there. Before I forget, the next park is February 3rd, and hopefully I will be at that one too. Everybody that came up and said hi to me at the January event, thank you very much. That was awesome. It's really nice to meet some of the people that I haven't met at park that watch these videos, and you know, it's pretty cool. Anyways, I will see you guys later.